Hi, my name is Jonas and I welcome you to this video on how to install the EEROS Docker container. To follow the instructions on this video, you need to have Docker Desktop and Visual Studio Code installed. The links to the respective websites are in the description. First, we clone the GitHub repository, which includes the EEROS Docker container. For this, we open Visual Studio Code and click on the Source Control tab. Then, we click on Clone Repository. Copy and paste the address of the GitHub repository, which you can find in the description, and click on Clone from URL. A pop-up window opens in which we select where we want to store the repository on our local machine. This can be any folder you prefer. Open the folder in which you cloned the repository by clicking on File, Open Folder. Select the location in which you cloned the repository. For the next part, make sure that Docker Desktop is running. Press F1 and select Remote Containers Open Folder in Container. In the pop-up window, select the current folder and wait until the container is up and running. This might take several minutes for the first time since it has to download the container. You can check if you successfully opened the folder in the container by looking at the green area in the bottom left corner. It should read dev container existing Docker Compose. Thank you for following me through this video on how we can start our own EEROS project, and I will see you in the next one.